Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on parts of a circle. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And let's move on now to the brief lesson. So here we have some different parts of a circle. Let's look at them. A circle is a round, plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from a fixed point called the centre. So that's the definition of a circle. The circumference is the curved distance around the circle. So if you measure the distance around here, that is the circumference. The radius is the distance from the centre to a point on the circle. So from there to there is the radius. So that's the centre, and that's a point on the circle. The diameter passes through the centre from one side of the circle to the other. That's fairly self-explanatory. That's the diameter. And you can easily see that the length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. A chord is a straight line joining any 2 points on the circle. So that's a chord. An arc is a curve between 2 points on a circle. That's the part coloured in red. So there it is there. That's called an arc. A segment is the area bounded by a chord and an arc. That's the area in blue. So that's the area in there. That's called a segment. A sector is the area bounded by 2 radii and an arc. So we have a radius, and an arc, and the area inside is called the sector. Note, that's the centre of the circle because that's a radius and that's a radius. Let's now move on to the next slide. So by introducing the rap song about the circle, Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music.